Alright, so is your LS430's accelerator making a metal clanging noise like this? It's driving you crazy? Well, that's because your pedal cushion has broken off. There is a little hole, it's kind of hard to see, up in there. You can feel it with your hand if you reach up in there, but you can't really see it. You can kind of see it in between that kind of silver metal piece and the white piece right there. But I'm going to go ahead and replace mine. We're going to see if there's a sound difference. Alright, so I got it in. As you can hear, a lot quieter. Let's see if you can see it. It went in pretty easily. You just kind of push it in. You can kind of see it up in there. Kind of where I was pointing out earlier, where the hole is between that white piece and kind of silverish metal piece. But yeah, a lot quieter now and not irritating the crap out of me anymore. But I hope this video was informative to those with the same issue and it fixes your problem. Have a nice day.